Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm excited to show you how to fold one of my favorite long-distance paper airplanes, Plasma X. This airplane is designed for speed, distance, and smooth, stable flight. If you fold it carefully and make a few small adjustments at the end, you'll have a paper airplane that performs incredibly well, both indoors and outdoors. The best part is that you only need one standard sheet of paper, so anyone can build it at home. Take your time with every fold because neat and accurate folds always lead to better flight performance. Let's begin. Start with a standard 8.5 x 11-inch sheet of paper. Place it on a flat surface and fold it in half lengthwise. Carefully match the edges before pressing the fold down firmly. This center crease will become the foundation of the airplane, so it's important to make it as straight as possible. Once you've made the crease, open the paper back up. Turn the paper over and fold the top section downward by approximately 2 inches. This measurement doesn't have to be perfectly exact, but keeping both sides even will help maintain balance. Press the fold firmly, then fold the paper in half again using the original center crease. Fold the top edge down on both sides, making clean and sharp creases before opening everything back up. Next, bring one of the top corners down so it meets the center crease. Repeat the same fold on the opposite side. Try to keep both sides identical because even a small difference can affect the airplane's flight. A symmetrical airplane almost always flies farther and straighter than one with uneven folds. Now you'll create a few guide creases. Fold one outer edge toward the top edge, crease it well, and then unfold it. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. These guide creases don't stay visible in the finished airplane, but they make the next folding move much easier and more accurate. The next fold is known as a swivel fold. Gently lift the front pocket while keeping the rest of the paper flat. Create a new crease along the edge of the upper layer, then carefully rotate the folded section inward until it lines up with the guide crease you just made. Press everything flat before repeating the exact same process on the opposite side. Take your time here because this is one of the most important folds in the entire airplane. Once both sides are finished, open the side flaps along their natural creases while holding the inner layers in place. Everything should lie flat without creating unwanted wrinkles. Small details like this help improve the strength and accuracy of the finished airplane. Next, fold the small locking tabs inward and press them firmly. After making those creases, unfold the tabs again. Fold both side edges toward the center line and carefully tuck each tab into the pocket created by the fold. Press everything together until the airplane locks into place. This locking system helps keep the airplane rigid during flight, making it more stable in the air. Fold the airplane in half along the center crease you made earlier. Before pressing it flat, make sure both sides are perfectly aligned. A straight and symmetrical body is the key to getting the best flight performance. Now it's time to create the wings. Fold the first wing down with a clean, straight crease. Turn the airplane over and fold the second wing so it matches the first as closely as possible. Keeping both wings the same size and angle will help the airplane fly farther and stay balanced in the air. Before your first flight, make a few simple adjustments. Lift both wings slightly so they angle upward just a little. Then bend the trailing edge of each wing upward very gently. These small tweaks improve lift, increase stability, and help prevent the airplane from diving toward the ground. If you notice the airplane drifting to the left or right during flight, don't worry. Tiny adjustments to the wings are usually all that's needed. Even a small change can make a big difference, so keep testing and fine-tuning until the airplane flies straight and smoothly. When you're ready to launch, hold the airplane near its center of balance and throw it with a smooth, controlled motion. You don't need to use maximum force. A level, steady throw usually delivers the longest and most consistent flights. For the best results, fly indoors in a large open area or outdoors on a calm day with little or no wind. What makes the Plasma X stand out is its excellent balance of speed, distance, and stability. With accurate folding and a little practice, you'll be surprised by how far this airplane can fly. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed building the Plasma X paper airplane. If you like this tutorial, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more amazing paper airplane designs, and share this video with your friends. I'd also love to hear about your results, so let me know in the comments how far your Plasma X flew. See you in the next tutorial, and happy flying.